Hey guys, welcome back to Cybrosys. So in this video, I'll be bursting some myths and spitting out the facts about what those myths are. Okay, so let's see how this turns out. We have listed some, myths about Cybrosys over here. So let's begin. Myth number one: Odoo is only for large companies. Of course, it's a myth. Odoo is basically built for companies of all types and sizes. So it works regardless of what your company is or your company size and type is. Like, it's built for all sizes of the company, whether it be a small company, like a blooming company, a huge growing company, or even a medium sized company. So whatever size your company belongs to, this Odoo is basically suitable for everything. Okay, so it's actually a myth, and the fact is there is nothing like that. Odoo is suitable for all, and the only thing you have to make sure or you have to notice is that what your requirement and need is. So that's the very first myth. And the second myth that we've heard, I've basically listed out some: you need Odoo or every Odoo module to get started. So that's another myth, and it's not true at all. Okay, so you don't have to get the complete ecosystem to start using Odoo. You can start with all the modules that you need. Like, in terms, if you need only modules like the sales, CRM, accounting and all, then start with it, and as your business grows, you can do the additions of modules to it, and then grow Odoo along with your business. So there is nothing like that. That's the other myth. And myth number 3 is Odoo difficult to use. Is Odoo difficult to use? The fact is, actually, it's built in a very user-friendly way. So I don't think it's personally that difficult for you all to manage and use this particular software. There is nothing like that. It's very user-friendly. So with basic training, you can actually, manage and use Odoo in a very good way. That's the myth number 3. And we have myth number 4, where some people are telling that Odoo can't be customized. I have to find those people who are spreading such rumors about Odoo. There is nothing like that. So talking about the customization, we Cybrosians, or at Cybrosys, here we are actually providing the service customization of Odoo, which is one among the important services that we provide here in our company. So if there is no customization, means then what is the need for us to open up this company and sit here? There is no need for that. So if you are looking for any customization for your business on Odoo, please do contact us. We'll be very happy to help you. Okay, so customization, like, Odoo is one among the biggest software with a very high flexibility rate. Okay, so you can actually customize it based on whatever your need and requirement is. So it is highly customizable. There is nothing like that. That's a big myth. Then you have myth number 5, where people are saying that Odoo is just another accounting software or just an accounting software. No, it's not true at all. Odoo is basically an ERP software. So you all know what ERP is built with. Okay, ERP in the sense, you have modules like sales, CRM, inventory, accounting. You have the small modules, website, e-commerce, HR modules, and all such things. So no, it's not just an accounting software. It is a whole ERP ecosystem that you can use for your business. Okay, based on your needs, you can choose the modules and use it wisely. That's another myth. And then we have another myth. A lot of people, without even inquiring, say that Odoo is too expensive. So basically, Odoo offers different, packages and pricing and editions. Okay, you have a community as well as enterprise edition, where one is paid and the other one is free. Community is a free version and enterprise is the paid version. And also it is providing different pricing packages. Okay, so why are they providing certain packages? To fit your budget. So you can analyze what your budget is and then choose which one is suitable for you. So that wise you can actually save a lot of your money and only pay for what you need. That is the important part. Don't get convinced about what other people are saying. First of all, identify what your need is and then select the plan what you want. Okay, so that is the other myth that we have busted right now. And myth number 7 is that you need programming knowledge to use Odoo. Let me ask a simple question. This is another myth most of the people say. So let me ask a simple question. You are using a lot of social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook and all such things. So do you really know coding to use all these things? Is that even a valid question? No. So to use this software, there is nothing like you need, the coding knowledge and all. There's nothing like that. You simply should know how to manage the software. Like at first, everything is new for us. Only when we start using it, we get familiar with it, right? So with basic, training, you'll learn how to use this software, and it is very easy for you all to use. So there is nothing like coding is required for you all to use Odoo. No. If you are doing development, if you are on the development side, then for you all you obviously need coding, right? But to use Odoo, there is nothing like you need the coding knowledge. There is nothing like that. It's a very bad myth about Odoo. Okay. Next, we have myth number 8, where Odoo is only for IT companies. No. A lot of people have such a thing also, but we can't complain them, because there are a lot of people who still doesn't have any idea about Odoo. So Odoo is basically used in all kind of fields. For example, we have these manufacturers using Odoo, schools, hospitals, then what we have the restaurants, service companies, and wholesalers, like a lot of fields. Almost in every field, Odoo is actually spreading it out. There is nothing like Odoo can only be used by IT companies, IT, software, no, nothing like that. Every field, based on your need, you can implement Odoo in your industries as well. So that is the myth number 8. Again, you have myth number 9. What is it? Odoo doesn't integrate with other software. Once again, I am recalling what our services are of Cybrosys. Here we are doing the integration as well. Okay. So what is the need of doing such a service if that is not available in Odoo? So that's the fact. We have such a service over here, and integration is also possible here for Odoo. Like you can integrate with a lot of payment gateways. You have the e-commerce sections, the shipping providers, and a lot of third-party platforms can be integrated with Odoo. So that is a myth. You can actually integrate it with third-party softwares. And you have myth number 10, where people are saying that you have to implement everything at once. So the thing is that many businesses roll out Odoo in, phases. Like you can start with one module, and gradually when your business grows, you can implement more modules. So it is completely depending upon what your business need is. So you can't, generalize and say like that. There is nothing like that. So that is another myth. Myth number 11, Odoo is available only in English. Oh my God, who are the ones who are, generating all these myths? It's absolute fake news, okay? Odoo supports multi-languages, and it makes it suitable for all people, like everyone with different languages to use Odoo. So it can be it makes it possible for other countries to operate it as well. Like across every countries, people can use Odoo regardless of the language. So we have this multi-languages, and you can use it wisely. There is nothing like that, okay? Then we have another myth, which is myth number 12 of this video. Only large IT teams can manage Odoo. No, there is nothing like that. Many small and medium-sized businesses successfully manage this Odoo with a very small team, especially, after their initial setup. Now, certain people who have in-house developers, then there might not be, having such a big cost. Like for implementing, maintaining and all, they have an in-house person. So if you are, connecting with a third party, as a Cybrosys, I can tell, like if you're coming to Cybrosys itself, we can manage everything. Like we are actually managing all these startups and huge industries and everything. So there is nothing like that. It's completely a myth. Okay. So another thing that I have to say is that don't believe everything people say about Odoo. Like there are some random people who are just commenting on Odoo without having any knowledge about what the software is, how this works, and how the things are around Odoo. So make sure, like whatever you hear, you have to make sure that is a myth or a fact. Okay. Next, you need a separate software for every business process. So this is myth number 13 of this video. You need a separate software for every business process. The answer is no. Okay. Odoo brings all kind of softwares like CRM, sales, inventory and all, or as different modules under a single software, which is called as Odoo. So inside Odoo, we have a lot of modules which are for different purposes. Okay, so you have marketing modules, you have the project management, you have the HR management and all, which are not separate software, which all of these are coming under the single software called Odoo. Okay, so you can simply manage it likewise. So there is nothing like that. Then you have another myth, myth number 14, Odoo updates will erase your data. So when upgrades are planned and performed correctly, your business data is preserved. Like while you are choosing the partner, that's the other important case which comes. So if you are giving it to any third party companies or you know, to work with, or if you want any kind of services, if you are searching for a partner, what you have to do, you have to choose official partners of Odoo, where Cybrosys can help you for that. Okay, so you should choose some trusted partners for not having or not ending up in such situations like losing the data and all. So if it is in a proper hand, what happens is that they do all kind of preservation and all for you all to not lose the data. Okay, so all kind of testings and backups and all important upgrades and all will be done from the partner side. We basically do that. Okay, and we have myth number 15, ERP is only for companies with hundreds of employees. No, I've been repeatedly telling this because Odoo can be used by every size of companies. Even if it's a startup with a single person or 2 people company, you can use Odoo. There is nothing like that. Okay. Myth number 16 is once you choose Odoo, you're logged into one way of working. No. Odoo is basically highly configurable. Okay, so you can adapt to many workflows. There are a lot of workflows and automations. You have this forms, you have approvals, and you even have reports that match your business processes. So there is nothing like that. That's another fact. Then you have myth number 17, learning Odoo takes months. So most users can learn Odoo basics within a few days. Now, if you are having a fresh software or application in your hands, are you taking that much time to figure out what these does? No, simply by opening it and exploring it will give you basic idea on how to use the software. So there is nothing like that. Basics can be learned in a very few days. And if you want to go to advanced studies also, you can, if you explore it properly, you can learn it in a very advanced way also. So for you all to learn it, we are actually providing YouTube tutorials. If you want basic knowledge or advanced knowledge or intermediate knowledge, we have this YouTube channel. So please go on and check out our page where you will be having videos and tutorials of all kind of Odoo. And finally, we have a myth. Odoo is just another CRM. There is nothing like that. CRM is only one part of Odoo. Okay, here in Odoo, we have things like the CRM. Along with that, we have the sales, the accounting, we have the HR modules, we have the project management, and then we have the recruitment process, which all comes under the HR. Okay, a lot of things are there. Like it is a complete ERP that connects multiple business developments or departments in one single system. Like all in one platform is what we call Odoo, and it is integrated so that each modules communicate to each other. It's not like they are not connected to each other. No, each modules are connected or integrated so that you don't have to go in search of certain things. If you do one updation in sales, if it's connected to the inventory, so the updations and all get automatically done over there. In a simple word, I can say that if you are creating a quotation and if you have bought some products, the inventory will automatically be updated as soon as you confirm the delivery. So it's all automation, it's interconnected, and that's the reason why this happens. So these are some myths. This is not the end. There are a lot of myths I daily hear about Odoo. Okay, so these are the basic myths that we usually hear about Odoo. I hope a lot of your confusions have gone. And one more addition to this video, you might have heard about Mobo. Okay, so Mobo is a mobile suite for Odoo, which is created by Cybrosys. So it's not nothing complicated. It's simply Odoo as mobile apps. It's basically now available in App Store and Play Store. So you don't have to carry your desktop everywhere you go. You can simply use your mobile phone. Like mobile phones are everywhere with us, right? So you can simply use this mobile phone to manage your entire server, your operation. And if you are dealing with a client and client says any kind of urgent updates and all, you don't have to run back to the office and do all these things. No, you have your phone, right? So you can do the updations over there. So that's how simply Mobo can manage your work and make it in a very easy way, save a lot of your time. So go on and check it out. I'll put the link in the description so you can check it in the App Store and Play Store. It's available. So that's it, guys. That's all about the myths and facts of the video. If you want any such video suggestions or if you have any suggestion, please do comment below. I'll be happy to help you. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.